The same name lawsuit, 2006, Sydney, Australia. What if your biggest enemy had your name, your address, and your debts, none of which were actually yours? In 2006, Sydney awoke to one of the strangest legal battles in modern history. Two men walking into the courtroom, introduced by the same name. It began quietly. One man enjoying morning coffee on his balcony. Ocean breeze rolling in from Bondi when his phone buzzed. Bank notices piling up for loans he never took. Credit inquiries he didn't recognize. Threats of repossession. He felt the world tilt beneath him. Across the city, another man, same name, same middle initial, felt equal frustration. His statements were suddenly wrong. Balances drained. Letters arrived addressed to him, but written about the life of someone he didn't know. A glitch? Fraud? Identity theft? No, something weirder. A bank clerk, somewhere between rushed lines of data entry and automation updates, merged two customer files. Two real people, same name but different lives, became one digital identity. And the consequences spiraled like a storm no one noticed until it swallowed them both. The first man was blamed for debts owed by the second. The second was denied access to funds because of financial errors attributed to the first. Each thought the other was the villain. Each called lawyers. Each demanded justice. And here's where it turns surreal. They sued each other. Not the bank, not First, not the system, not yet. They faced each other in court, furious strangers trapped in a bureaucratic ghost story. The courtroom murmured as the judge called Smith versus Smith. Spectators leaned forward. Even the judge paused, eyebrows raised. Testimony flew like sparks, documents, statements, suspicion. Their voices trembled with confusion, anger, and bewilderment. It seemed like each man's enemy was a mirror wearing his name. But then, the turning point. An analyst traced the mess back to a keystroke. One mistaken merge, one corrupted profile. The truth emerged. Neither was the villain. Both were victims. Silence settled across the room. The tension melted into something human. Recognition. Two strangers, who spent months believing the other had ruined their life, slowly realized they were on the same sinking ship. The courtroom atmosphere changed. Their lawyers no longer faced each other. They turned together toward the bank. Together they redirected the lawsuit. Together they won. Compensation for damages, corrected records, and a bizarre bond forged in chaos. Their case became a cautionary tale across Australia. Your name is not your identity, and in the digital age, one typo can rewrite reality. And somewhere in Sydney today, two men with identical names live separate lives, but share one unforgettable truth. Sometimes your greatest conflict isn't with another person, but with the system holding your name. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.